Hey everybody, it's Nick here from Greyscalegorilla, and I'm so excited to give you a behind-the-scenes tour of the brand new Greyscalegorilla Plus. Now, ever since we started Greyscalegorilla Plus, it's been our mission to include training and tools to help 3D artists, freelancers, and studios help you guys make better renders, make your clients happier, make your boss happy, and in the end, just make more beautiful renders and make more money. And so ever since we started Greyscalegorilla Plus, we've been adding new stuff to it. Well, today I'm really excited to not only show you the new interface, but also drop a really big announcement of some new stuff that we're including inside of Greyscalegorilla Plus. So if you're already a Greyscalegorilla Plus member, definitely watch this video. I'm gonna give you a behind the scenes tour and kind of show you where everything is in this new interface. We've also added some monthly pricing for those of you asking, so definitely check out the website as well. All right, let's head on in and let me give you a behind the scenes tour of the brand new Greyscalegorilla Plus. All right, here we are in the brand new Greyscalegorilla homepage. And if you're a returning customer, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is click on this account button, and it's gonna ask you to update your password. Now, as soon as you update your password, you'll have full access to your customer portal, including any products you've purchased in the past. And of course, if you are a Greyscalegorilla Plus member, you'll have instant access to the Greyscalegorilla Plus portal. So just click here and it'll jump you into the brand new Greyscalegorilla Plus portal. So you should bookmark this thing. This is your one-stop place for everything included in your Greyscalegorilla Plus membership. So once you're here, you can scroll down and you'll see you'll have instant access to everything included in your membership. So we have a lot of stuff to go over here, but let's start with training. Now, when we started building this new platform, we wanted an easy to use training platform for you guys to be able to search and find exactly what you're looking for when it comes to training. And that's why we built Gorilla U. So let's click through and let me show you Gorilla U. So Gorilla U is where you'll find tons of training included in your Greyscalegorilla Plus membership. Now, whether you're trying to find something quick to watch over lunch to learn a new tip, or really want to dive into some of our guides like X Particles, Redshift, Arnold, and even Cinema 4D. You know, Cinema is always adding new features, and we keep this training up to date with new features included in Cinema 4D. So you can jump in here with whether you have 10 minutes or 80 hours to start to learn some of these amazing tools. So this homepage will give you kind of a quick idea of what is inside, but you can also come up here to all courses. Now, inside of all courses, you're gonna find more categories to click through. You'll also find search to help you find exactly what you're looking for. So you can see we have even some new training here ready to go, including our Getting Started with Octane with David Arieff. That's Octane Jesus. Now, look, real quick, don't tell Chad. I've been watching this training and I've been digging Octane, and I even have some quick tips coming soon as well. So if you're an Octane user and you've been looking at Plus and kind of missing that Octane training, we have a ton more coming out very soon. So definitely you can get started with this right away. So below that, you'll see we have our MoGraph training, all the guides to Cinema 4D, all the seasons of Ask GSG here, our guide to X Particles, guide to Redshift. You get the point. And in fact, even if you're not a member, you can come to this page and check it out. It's at training.greyscalegorilla.com, and you can browse around and see exactly what is inside Gorilla U and exactly what you get with Greyscalegorilla Plus before you purchase. Now, once you are a member, it's really easy to click through and just start watching training. Now, when you're joining some of these larger pieces of training, it's going to show you exactly what you're going to learn. You can kind of scroll through that page. And then as soon as you click Access Course, it's going to throw you in to this brand new interface that is so much easier to follow along with. And in fact, you can, over here on the left, click through to any one of the videos. And what's really nice is as you start watching these videos, it keeps track of where you left off. So as soon as you watch one video from any course, once you go back to your dashboard, it's going to tell you exactly what you've been watching so that you can come back to some of these longer trainings and be able to watch it from where you left off. All right, we're back at the Greyscalegorilla Plus page, and let's talk about the downloads area. Once you click through to downloads, you'll have access to all of these assets, including the Modern Surface Material Collection, which has been a huge hit here at Greyscalegorilla, and of course the Everyday Material Collection. These are both super drag and drop, high res, beautiful material collections for Octane, Arnold, and Redshift. We've been seeing this stuff all over, and the customers just love these things. It makes adding really beautiful materials so easy, and they're right here in your account. If you're using standard or physical render, you get Texture Kit Pro, download it, you're ready to go. You also have Gorilla Gray LUTs. I've been using the heck out of these things. You could use them in third-party renderers, in editing tools, in After Effects. These are super, super helpful and really kind of pump up the contrast and give you that filmic look. And then, of course, our friends at Happy Toolbox gave you a free sample pack. So you have some amazing Happy Toolbox models that you can use in your renders while you're learning with all of this stuff. And it's all right here in your downloads area. And of course, anything new that we drop will also show up here in your downloads area, and you'll have instant access to it. As long as you're a Greyscalegorilla Plus member, you can come in here and download and start to use all of this stuff here. And if you want to learn about these products separately, you can go to our store and learn about them. But getting into Plus gives you instant access to all this stuff, and it's much more affordable than buying these all separate. All right, let's head back to the Plus portal and let's talk about Greyscalegorilla plugins coming soon to Greyscalegorilla Plus. We are so excited to announce that Greyscalegorilla plugins are now included in your Greyscalegorilla Plus membership. Now, we'll be releasing the first 2 Greyscalegorilla plugins in your account this month. Put a comment down below if you think you know which ones they're going to be. And then stay tuned because we're adding even more plugins into your account in the near future. So we have a ton of news and updates and a bunch of things we're adding to Plus over the next few months. So if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure you subscribe and hit notifications. And when we come out with new videos that show you all the new stuff that we're including, you'll get it right away. And if you're already a member, make sure you bookmark that Greyscalegorilla Plus portal because we'll be announcing new stuff there as well. So I wanted to thank you guys for watching this and checking out a behind the scenes little look at what we've been building. The team has been working so hard and we're just very proud of this. We're excited to finally get it in your hands. And if you have any questions about it, hit us up in the comments. You could also hit up customer support. And again, thank you for joining. This has been quite an adventure to build this and to be here. And we wanted to build the no-brainer membership for motion designers, 3D artists, product renderers like you, to help you make more beautiful renders, make your boss happy, make your clients happy, help make you more money. And I hope we've done that. So thanks again for watching and stay tuned. We have a ton more stuff coming soon and we will see you in another video really soon. Bye, everybody.